So I was expecting a little pullback. I did not really expect it will be a green day today. It's not that green, but it was the entire day was above the VWAP line, and yeah, it went down on the third candle to 253, almost 252.96. And then it came up to 257, almost 258. It touched. So it's quite a resistance to F58 or 259-ish level is quite a resistance. So in my opinion, it should go down. It should go down to 251 or 249 again. That's my opinion. But if tomorrow, if it's a gap up in the opening, like 9:30, 9:35, it's already a gap up day, like above 260 or 61, then it should go up. It should go up to 265 or something like that. In that case, market will go up. That's one possibility, and the gap up thing. And also another possibility is market might fall down from this point. Maybe this is perhaps the highest point for this on this trend, basically. So after this, might fall down, fall back to 247 or 248 even. So that's my opinion for today. So sorry, for tomorrow, Wednesday.